Custom items aren't a trendy commodity right now. Still, don't believe us? Look around and you'll notice individuals going around in t-shirts with popular celebrity faces or sayings on them. It turns out that consumers adore personalized products, so much so that they're willing to spend up to 20% extra for them. The challenge now is, how can you produce and sell your own personalized products? Welcome to E-commerce Know-How, and today we'll talk about print-on-demand business. What is print-on-demand? Print-on-demand is a dropshipping delivery method that allows you to personalize white-label products like mugs and tote bags, which are produced and dispatched only after an order is completed. The items are typically offered by a print-on-demand firm as a blank slate. You put your own creative design on the things and sell them on a per-order basis under your own brand. Because they are printed after they are sold, the company does not require any prior money. That is, you do not have to buy in bulk or fulfill a minimum order amount to begin selling. Starting a print-on-demand business. It is generally far easier to start a print-on-demand business than it is to manage your own inventory. However, there are still certain obstacles to overcome, such as selecting the correct market and capturing your audience's interest. Here are a few guidelines to get you going. Number 1. Target a niche market. In business, if you target everyone, you will not reach anyone. That is why it is critical to select a specialization. Having a well-defined audience might actually help you build better products because your ideas will be more aligned with their interests and passions. After you've decided on a specialty, consider how you'll market your company. Create Facebook advertising that are tailored to the interests of your prospective consumers. Ads can also be used to test your designs to see which ones are popular with your target demographic. Collect email addresses from visitors so that you can notify them about new products for free. Send your product to influencers who can help you increase interest in your brand by lending their clout. Number 2. Create mock-ups to show off your products. Mock-ups are an excellent tool for bringing your products to life. While engaging product photos might help you improve your consumer experience, mock-ups assist people understand exactly what they're purchasing. Many print-on-demand businesses allow you to generate your own mock-ups of your products from various angles. If you can't find a mock-up generator on your print provider's website, there are a variety of free mock-up templates publicly available. Number 3. Order samples validate product quality. For print-on-demand enterprises, quality assurance is critical. Your online reputation will quickly deteriorate if your t-shirts and accessories do not appear well-made when they arrive at your customer's doorstep. Ordering samples ensures that you know exactly what you're giving to your audience. You may also utilize samples to photograph your own products for your website and social media accounts. When you order samples of the items you develop on their website, several print-on-demand businesses will give you a discount. Check with your print provider to see if there are any discounts available on product samples so you can get them for less money. Number 4. Be strategic about shipping. By eliminating the need to distribute things yourself, print-on-demand lessens the stress of running a business. However, you are still responsible for conveying shipment times to customers and setting appropriate expectations. Always be upfront about shipping times, and don't forget to factor in the time it takes to make your item. Create a separate shipping page on your website, if possible, to answer client questions. It's also worthwhile to look for methods to use shipping to increase client loyalty. Free delivery, for example, is a terrific approach to convert clients who are on the fence. You may even use this strategy to justify lengthier wait periods, since many customers are willing to wait a little longer for orders if they can save money on delivery. As you can see, opening a print-on-demand store can be a rewarding business venture. With so many available inventory sources, practically anyone may start their own POD firm or test out products before releasing them to the public. If one of your designs gets successful and you begin to receive a big number of orders, you may easily transition from using a print-on-demand firm to maintaining your own inventory. Alternatively, you can continue to use their platforms while looking for other ways to grow your business. Do what works best for you. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Have you ever ordered anything custom online? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.